2018 Toyota Camry must know. New technical updates. The Toyota Camry 2018 is stunning and beautiful. However, it doesn't slip through the cracks of flaws. If you look closely here, you will see lots of Christmas tree as they lights up on the dashboard like stars in the galaxy. A simple service was carried out after the front struts failed. In less than 50,000 miles, I wasn't expecting 2018 Camry shock absorber to fail sooner. It's simply disappointing. The mechanic fixing the issues made just a little mistake. That mistake is now a lesson we will be learning from. A simple component failure. Be you a mechanic, DIY, or a car enthusiast? Simply put, a single mistake started this chains of reactions I will be teaching you. If your check engine light come on the dashboard, you may be not so lucky with wrong technician's terrible approach to solving a little issue. You may see P160500 error code. This code means your 2018 Camry has detected a problem with your car engine. A rough idling of the car. If I didn't introduce you properly to rough idle, forgive my intrigue capability. Rough idle is the kid brother to check engine light you see on the dashboard. 2. If your electronics parking brake is not working, the button which is at the center console will turn red. What this means, on the other hand, is that you may likely be seeing ABS light on too. If ABS and VSC light is on, then that is the reason why your EPB is not working at all or correctly. 3. If you've found out that your steering light is on and your EPS is hard or steer while driving, before dashing into the fuse box or checking the parts stores. If the ABS light is on, check if your EPB light is red. If the EPB button is glowing red and doesn't work, the 2 front wheel ABS sensor is not reporting back to the ABS control module. That is technically the issue with your vehicle misbehavior. 4. If you noticed your radar system is malfunctioning, check your infotainment. Check if you have ABS light illuminated on your dashboard. Your dashboard. If yes, that could be the reason why your radar system is malfunctioning. 5. If your airbag light is illuminated on the dashboard, not in orange color but red, well, look out for ABS light as much as VSC light illuminated. Check if your EPB light is red or not working. The ABS is the issue. 6. If you have a message on your infotainment or instrument cluster about a malfunctioning blind spot detection system. Malfunctioning. If you can see ABS light illuminated on your dashboard, first address the ABS issue first before going further, and you may likely be solving the problem after by fixing from the ABS sensor malfunctioning issue. 7. If you noticed a message of passenger Occupant classification detection malfunction. If there is ABS light on the dashboard is on, that may likely be the problem that triggered the occupant detection failure. 8. If you have a message on the infotainment about secondary braking collision sensor malfunction. If you have ABS light on illuminated on your dashboard, check the ABS sensor of the four wheels. If found faulty, get it fixed, then double-check for the collision detection system. 9. If you are driving and suddenly noticed your speedometer no more reading as you drive, this problem is 2018 Camry is occurring due to a defective ABS wheel sensor. The old system of having an individual VSS is gone. Toyota now uses the ABS wheel sensor as the vehicle speed sensor. There are four wheels sensor if two of the front wheels failed. The speedometer will begin to malfunction. 10. If you noticed a message on the instrument cluster stating you have a malfunctioning brake system or emergency brake system malfunction, this issue is stemming from an anti-brake locking system. However, the anti-brake lock system cannot operate optimally if the wheel sensor aren't functioning correctly. The easy fix is to begin with loosening out your front or rear tires, whichever one that services was recently carried out on, is likely where the problem is coming from. However, if there aren't any recent service on the hub, shaft, shocks or brake pad or rotor, simply clear the error code and validate the current status. The Toyota New Direction will make the ABS system very pricey in the stores due to lots of controls and power that is allotted to it to handle. Technically stating, if there is any issue of broken ABS control module, you will have hard time driving your 2018, 2019 or newer Toyota model fleets. If you are in a tight spot where parts aren't available, be sure to get 3 of the ABS wheel sensor to work, and you will notice significant improvement in your drivability. If you are expecting me to say subscribe, like, or share, sorry, I will not use such words ever again. I will be leaving you with your fate to live by your choice. Bye for now.